just about done with this panel here. This one's a 480 machine. It's got a little bit of everything for this size job. Main power comes in there. We got a couple circuit breakers up top distributing that. Got some line filters there. We got the main servo drives for the Allen Bradley servos. More circuit breakers. Let's see, this job here we have some linear actuators. Those are the drives for those. Got the Ethernet stuff over here. Safety relays. She got a load cell in there, in the middle there. Here's the PLC right now. Missing the PLC actually, but here's all the input cards. You got the safety, inputs, outputs, analog. It's pretty much